crooked.
Well, it's too late. You can't take it out.
I know.
There you go.
I hope that's straight.
Yeah. Well, I don't know how far that is going to go down.
I don't know.
I like that grip.
It's got a little
Like that grip at the hammer.
You gotta hammer that all the way in.
But it's crooked.
Well, it's got to go down into that hole.
I don't think it can. See, because it's hitting the edge of the number.
Gosh.
Well, you'll have to straighten it up.
I can't. With the tweezers?
Yeah, with the things.
Yeah,
How
with
do
the
you hold
tweezers.
nails with the tweezers?
You mean the
and
pliers?
No, the tweezers.
No.
Well, that looks good.
You don't hold nails with tweezers to hammer them?
No, never thought of it.
Well, I have.
You better tip
I just
that
used
a
my
little
hand.
bit.
It's not tipped
Like
enough?
that.
Now it's
There.
good?
I guess she can eyeball for distance, just not for angle.
Yeah, there you go.
Uh-oh.
Looks good.
It's probably why I put the nail in crooked.
I tried to hammer it with the
I
claw.
can't hold on to it.
Well, don't bother holding on to it.
I have to. If I don't hold the nail, it will really be crooked.
No, the other.
The others?
You get better
Is it
hit.
still slanted enough?
You don't have to worry until you put the second nail
I
in.
know, that's why I want to know if it's slanted enough.
No,
Yeah, there.
that's better.
There we go.
That's not too crooked?
No.
I don't know, the one just throws me off. I mean the zero.
Yeah, there you go.
The zero just throws me off.
It's got to be it's angle, line up with the one.
Uh-oh, I picked it up the wrong way.
Share an angle.
There you go.
She keeps hiding from the press.
Uh-oh. There goes my 2.
Yeah, see.
Where to go?
Oops, what?
The 2 is all screwed up. There.
2's all over the place.
There you go. Get it closer to the 0. There you go.
Like that?
Yeah.
Is it angled enough?
Mm-hmm. It sure is. You gotta look at the bottom.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, see how the bottom's sitting.
Oops.
Sitting down.
Ouch! My finger's too fat. I need the tweezers.
Yeah.
Never
heard of using tweezers.
Yeah.
Well, you could hold it with them.
At the bottom. Is that straight? I mean, is that good?
Yeah. I would say. It looks good.
You'd really have to get back here to.
Well, from this view, it looks good.
Don, if you hurt yourself, that makes it a good YouTube video.
No.
There you go.
Okay. Is the 0 lower than the 2?
Mm-mm.
They're all good?
Yeah, they're all good.
Is this one good?
Well,
Does it need to do something?
Look at the level off.
Does it need to come
there
down?
we go. There,
Come
now
down
it's
more?
good. Nope. No, right there. Start hammering.
Grandpa, what do you think? Are the 2s too close?
No. Well, that one's angled more than this one. Yeah. You get the bottom about the same angle as that.
Does it go like that more? How's it angled, Grandpa? Like that? Like back?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either.
Oh, you should have left it where it was. Now you moved
I
it.
gotta do this.
How's that going to help? Oh, you're going to slide.
Stuck.
Ooh, now you moved it down.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
You're going to stand back as far as you'd be if you were out in the street.
Yeah.
No, I can't make it the same.
Well, it looks like this one's not tilted as much as that one. See how the bottom of that one goes like this? This looks like this back's lower than that.
How come it doesn't look right? Does it look right to you?
Might be it's alright, I guess. Might be a tad higher. But, I mean, it's you're talking fractions. I don't know.
The angle's right?
Yeah. No one's going to notice anyway.
I am. I'll be like, why did I do that?
OCD.
Carl.
From Murray.
I think the number just moved down.
Well, no. I mean,
You used to move it a little bit by moving the nail.
there you go. Just say to hell with it.
I never thought it'd take so long to hammer 4 numbers on
I'm
here.
gonna make this right.
This
How
is
about like
taken.
that?
Yeah. Looks good.
Now, why don't you just temporarily tap that in there, and then stand back and take a look at it before you nail it all the way in.
Well, it's pretty much too.
Oh wow! There you go, off on a chair to get the load down on it there. What do you think from up there?
It might be a little high, but just fractions.
Yeah.
I'm sure people will be talking about it.
There. You want me to go hold it back somewhere? Oh yeah, that looks
There you
good.
go. Oh, that's very photogenic.
Yeah, there, that looks good.
They're all in the right order too.
Ooh.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, 20 years later, 22 years later.
Well, you never know. You know, there's some people just like, I got 4 numbers. I'm gonna put them on here.
Yeah.
You know, and then they're oh god, they're in the wrong order.
Now you're gonna go put it up?
No. So
Oh.
how are you gonna put a nail through this whole board?
Well, I don't know.
That's
Does it come
pretty
with
wide.
Here, use these. Good thing you bought these. You should order.
You know, I was looking at them and I just don't know if they're gonna work.
Yeah, they will look. It's deep.
Why not?
I know, but you see all this space here?
That's good.
But look, it's only that wide.
That's fine.
It is?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know about it either.
Believe me, that's good. Yeah, nothing to worry about.
I probably need a drill.
Mm-hmm.
Someone to work it.
Well, I need a drill.
You better have Edward bring a drill over. Oh, if you own one.